Once you have finalized your input layer and output layer for your deep neural network, DNN, in your AI model, the next steps often involve working with the black box DNN model and Python libraries to build, train, and evaluate your model. Here's how you can proceed. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Select Python libraries. Choose the appropriate Python libraries and frameworks for building and training your DNN model. Popular libraries for deep learning include TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. The choice may depend on your specific requirements and familiarity with the library. 2. Model architecture, hidden layers. Define the architecture of the DNN, including the configuration of hidden layers, the number of neurons in each layer, and activation functions. The architecture should align with your input and output layers and the nature of your task. 3. Data preparation. Prepare your data for training and evaluation. This includes data pre-processing, splitting your dataset into training and testing sets, handling missing values, and normalizing or scaling the data as necessary. 4. Model training. Train your DNN model using the training data. Specify hyperparameters such as the learning rate, batch size, and the number of training epochs. Monitor the training process to assess convergence and prevent overfitting. 5. Evaluation and tuning. Evaluate the model's performance on a separate testing dataset or through cross-validation. Metrics such as mean squared error, accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score can be used to assess the model's accuracy and suitability. Fine-tune the model by adjusting hyperparameters or modifying the architecture if necessary to improve performance. 6. Interpretability and insights. Depending on the library and tools used, consider methods for interpreting the model's decisions. For example, techniques like Shapley additive explanations, can help you understand feature contributions. 7. Deployment and integration. If the model performs well, prepare it for deployment within your application or system. This may involve packaging the model, setting up APIs, and integrating it into your business processes. 8. Continuous monitoring and maintenance. Continuously monitor the model's performance in a real-world environment. Consider updating the model as new data becomes available or as your business needs evolve. 9. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive documentation for your DNN model, including its architecture, data pre-processing steps, and instructions for use. 10. Compliance and regulations. Ensure that your model complies with relevant data protection regulations and industry standards, especially if it handles sensitive or personally identifiable information. Working with Python libraries and a black box DNN model can be powerful and efficient, but it's essential to have a structured and systematic approach to model development and deployment. Additionally, interpretability and compliance considerations are critical, especially in applications where decisions impact businesses or individuals. Thank you.